everyone, so I am doing this little introduction so you guys can know what to expect from our YouTube channel. We posted other videos previously, but we weren't doing it weekly, which our name is NC Weekly, and we weren't doing that. So we have some really exciting things happening soon. We're building a house and we're moving, and we're going on a cruise in September. We figured we would start making videos to document the process of the house being built as well as our moving process, and in September we will document our cruise, which we're so excited about. Keep checking back if you're interested in following the process of our house being built as well as seeing our cruise.
Man, I'm hungry. Don't take a picture of me.
I'm vlogging.
Why are you vlogging?
Because we're at Ikea.
Why do I have to be in it?
Because you're a part of me.
Oh, I'm a part of you?
Yes. Oh.
There's a window there.
So we're at Ikea. We might do some shopping for the house today.
Maybe, but probably not. I guess we're dancing in an Ikea parking lot. That's what the cool kids do.
I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry.
Peace out, Home Scout. Home Scout.
Home Scout.
Home Scout.
Home Scout.
Just left Ikea and we're driving home. We bought a couple things. What did we buy, babe?
I don't know.
We bought a floor mat for the bathroom.
Yep.
We bought a lamp. We bought cinnamon buns. We bought
Potato smashers.
a potato smasher.
She's real excited about that one.
I'm super stoked about that. I'm gonna use it for dinner tonight.
Little speedsters going on by. Meow, meow, meow.
What are you doing? Hi, baby. Give me kisses. Thank you, sweet girl. Hey! What are you doing? Oh! Hi, what you doing? Oh! Relax. Oh, bless you. Bless you. What you doing? Come on. Baby. Come on. Come here. Come here, crazy girl. Oh my gosh.